Are you guys ready for what I have to tell you today? It is concerning the DT, Dollar Tree. So sit down, but first, go get your shoes on. Lace them up, get your keys, get your purse, get your wallet, get your list of the things that you're going to be growing this fall or this upcoming um, next season. Because when I tell you this news, you guys are not even going to finish this video. Soon as you find out what I'm going to tell you, you're going to jump up, run out your front door, run out your garage, and get in your vehicle, and you're going to head to the DT. Are you ready? I'll give you a few minutes to get your shoes laced up, get your pants on, whatever you need. If you're in your PJs and you didn't think you were going to be leaving the house today, well, child, I'm going to make you leave the house today. So go ahead and get your little hidden stash of all your little coins, wherever you done hid your credit card, so you can buy things when there is a good deal alert. Are you ready now? Okay. So I was roaming around the DT like I always do, trying to find a few items. And I said, oh, they have their whole, and I said, well, I need a few more seeds. So I went over there and I picked up a few seeds. I picked up some Swiss chard because you know I'm on the Swiss chard kick. So I picked up a couple of package of the Swiss chard, and they had just finished installing a price checker in our DT, because our DT hasn't had a price checker for many, many years. So I was like, oh, it's all new and it's all fresh. So, you know, I'm like a little kid with a new toy. So I said, since I got the seeds in my hand, let me just go ahead and scan the seeds. Well, child, let me tell you, when I put the seed barcode, this right here, underneath the scanner. Are you ready now? These things rang up 15 cents. You hear me? 15 cents for one pack of seeds. So I said, what? You know, you see something and your brain doesn't process it right. So I said, what? So I went and got another packet. Get a package of carrots. And I put it under the scanner, and it popped up 15 cents. When I seen that, child, and I'm sure some of you guys are leaving this video now because you're racing out the front door, like I told you, or your garage door, because you're going to go head to the DT and you're going to get them seeds for 15 cents. You hear me? It's not their normal $3 for $1.50. These bad boys are 15 cents. And the next thing I looked at the expiration date on the back. And it says to be sold by December of 26. But you know, seeds can go one more year. So if you are in need to restock your seeds that you used up this season, or you want to get some seeds for next season, child, this is the stock up time. When I say this is a run deal alert, you know I'm out in the streets trying to find deals so I can come back and share with my gardening friends. Get you some seeds at the DT Dollar Tree for 15 cents. So look at your girl. I didn't get not one pack. I got a whole bag of this filled with seeds. You hear me? You know us gardeners love some seeds. So I got a whole bunch of seeds. I couldn't get to the flower seeds because the way they had my Dollar Tree seed display, they had them like hung up back to back. So I got a whole bunch of seeds. Yep. Whole bunch of seeds. I got a total of, I think it was 35 of these seed packets. And I got my receipt so I can show you, and I paid cash. So I got all these seeds. Y'all see these seeds? Just a plethora of seeds. You know, when I seen that thing say 15 cents, you know your girl went ham. So here's my receipt. I picked up my sugar scrub that I was looking for. Remember, I was looking for the Brazilian um, exfoliating sugar scrub. I found the purple, and I found the dragon tail one. Found my two I was looking for, and I found a whole bunch of seeds. So for my 35 seeds, see, DT, see, and right here, I'm going to show you right where my hand is. Can you guys see that? It says 35, and on the side of it, I think it says $5.25. For 35 seeds, I only had to pay $5.25. See? Now, this ain't a deal alert, child. I don't know what I can tell you. So I'm going to get this video out either tomorrow if I can. I'm going to see if I have another video that if it's scheduled to come out tomorrow, I will put this one in its place and move that video to another day so you guys will know that DT has their gardening seeds for 15 cents. 15 cents. I think the lowest I've seen seeds are in Walmart, and I think they were 50 cents. So DT is the lowest company that has their seeds for 15 cents. All right, guys, don't say Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure did not give you a heads up to get on over to DT and buy you some seeds. Because you know what I'm going to do? As I don't think a lot of people know that these seeds are on sale for these 15 cents, because the manager rang me up, and when she hit the first thing she looked, she didn't care. She just kept on scanning. Then she goes, "You got a lot of seeds." I said, "Yeah, I'm just trying to start my fall garden, so I need lots of seeds to replenish the ones I used for this season." And so we were just talking. So she counted them up. She goes, "Okay, you got 35 packets at 15, and she put it in there, and she told me that I looked at my receipt. That's when I showed you guys that they were $5.25 plus the the little scrub. So I didn't do bad. So I asked her, because soon, if you don't know, DT will be packaging up all their gardening stuff and putting it in the back for next season. So if you need some seeds, you better go, because I went to another DT to look for the seeds at a bigger DT that we have, and they packed theirs up. So I asked the manager today when I was in there, when will they be packing theirs up? And she says probably at the end of August. So I have until August to get as many more seeds as I can, because they had their vegetable seeds and they also had their flower seeds. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some flower seeds as well, because I picked up a few. Like I got this this mammoth Russian sunflower, because next season I want to have a whole, each one of my sections of my garden, I want to be able to have some sunflowers growing. And I don't think I picked up many more of the flowers, because like I said, they had them in the back, so I couldn't get too close to those. But child, tomorrow when I roll up in there, trust and believe, your girl gonna move them boxes so I can get to those flowers, because I got some cauliflower that I want to start, and then I think I got some broccoli. Yeah, I picked up some broccoli. And I'm going to try some carrots, because, I'm still on the struggle bus with the carrots. So I got some of those. And, of course, they had the crookneck squash. Remember I said I'm not too fond of the crookneck, because every time I grow it, I pop the neck. But this time I brought some. And I was like, hey, for 15 cents, if I break them necks, then I'm going to just have to eat the part that I broke. I'll just cut the bad off and eat the good. All right, guys. So I'm going to get off this video, because I don't want it to be too long. I just want you to know, get your shoes on, get your purse, get your keys, get your wallet, get whatever you need head to DT and get you your seeds. All right. This is your girl Renee from Renee's Garden Adventure giving you another deal alert, and I'm gonna put run right next to it. So whenever you see that run, you know it's a fantastic deal. All right, guys. Hope you score some seeds like me. If you do, let me know. Post the video so I can see that you were in there scoring your seeds just like I did. Good luck, you guys. Go get them seeds, my fellow gardeners, because we need these seeds, especially now we need these seeds in order to grow our own food and stay out of that grocery store. Because with all this business going on, get your seeds, child. Get your seeds. All right, take care.